Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix power button not working in our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. If power button is not working in your phone, you can use alternate method to turn off your screen and turn on your screen. So what you have to do is first go to the settings of your phone here, then go to accessibility and go to interaction and texturity, and here turn on assistant menu and give all permissions, give allow and go to home screen. This is assistant menu. You can move it anywhere and place anywhere on the screen, and I have placed here. If you would like to screen off, usually you will use this side button. If it's not working, just click on this assistant menu and you will have the screen off option. Just touch that and screen off your phone screen will be off. Okay, so to turn on phone screen, what you will do, if power button is not working, you should have some settings first. Okay, for that what you have to do is first go to the settings of our phone here, then go to advanced features and go to motions and gestures and turn on this button, double tap to turn on the screen, and also use this button, double tap to turn off the screen. Okay, now off your screen using this assistant menu and double tap on it to turn on the screen, and then you can enter into your phone. Also, if you double tap on this home screen, phone will also screen off. Okay, so for screen off, either you can use assistant menu option or you can use double tap on home screen. That is double tap on empty space in home screen. Okay, so in this way you can easily fix and use alternate method if power button or side button is not working in your case. Okay, you should have enabled these features before, so that you can use it very well. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.